Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom LEGO Sister Sage from the boys. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs from this Episode 2 Obi-Wan Kenobi minifigure. Next up, the hips and the torso come from this Geonosis Phase 2 Clone Trooper. I took the arms and hands from Mace Windu. I found some spare golden shoulder pads in my LEGO bin, so I used them. I thought the head from Reva would be fitting, so I've chosen to use that. Finally, I used the hair off of a Knight Rider minifigure. If you followed through the steps, then your minifigure should look something like this. Feel free to pause the video if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm relatively happy with what I've made here. I think there are probably better ways you could do it, but I don't have a lot of pieces in my arsenal to work with. But what I have made is satisfactory. I've got a firecracker video ready as well, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that.